So when we want to move from one region of the string down to another region, down to the Ponticello area, or want to move up to the Tasto area, we can do so very smoothly using bow angles. We can angle the bow one way or the other to help the bow naturally move from one spot to another. So how you want, it's a little complicated at first and it takes some getting used to, but the way you want to think about it is if I'm taking a down bow, for instance, and I want to go down to the bridge area, if I want to go down to Ponticello, what I want to do is point or align my tip with where I want to go. Okay, so I'm going to be moving the bow this way, and so because the tip is lower like that, the bow will end up down there. So I'll show you that again. Here's a straight bow, and if I want to go down to the Ponticello, I need to take the trailing end of the bow. This is the leading end going this way, and this is the trailing end. I want to take the trailing end of the bow and put it where I want it to be at the end of the bow. And there it is. So the opposite is true if I want on a down bow. If I want to be in the Tasto region at the end of the bow, then I want to put the tip where I want it to be at the end of the bow. I want it to be up here, so I'm going to put it in that spot. And there it is. And so then the up bow is the other way. The angles are opposite. If I want to, on an up bow, if I want to end up Ponticello, then I put my frog down there because that's where I want it to end up. And I end up down there. The opposite is true if I want to go to Tasto from the tip. I put the frog up to the Tasto part where I want it to be at the end of the bow. And that's where it ends up.